Imagine if your body developed not just muscles, but also speed, stamina, and endurance, all at the same time. That's why military athletes have a physique that looks different. But their secret isn't what social media shows you. The biggest mistake is that people try to copy military workouts. On the very first day, they do 100 push-ups, long runs, and impossible challenges. The result? 2 days later, the body is so sore that they stop training altogether. The real secret isn't intensity, it's progression. The goal of military training isn't just to build one muscle. Their objective is to teach the entire body to work together as one team. That's why their workouts intelligently combine strength, cardio, and endurance. And you can follow the same approach at home. Start with a 5-minute fast walk or a light jog as your warm-up. After that, do as many push-ups as you can with good form. Then do 15 bodyweight squats, 20 seconds of plank, 30 seconds of mountain climbers, and a 60-second walk. Complete this circuit for just 3 rounds. If push-ups feel difficult, do knee push-ups. If you have to slow down your mountain climbers, that's completely fine. Consistency is always more important than intensity. Now, listen to the most important rule. Every week, make just one small improvement, 1 extra rep, or 5 more seconds of plank, or 1 extra round. Just that small amount of progress will force your body to adapt every week. When this routine starts feeling easy, use stairs, walk with a light backpack, or add a short sprint at the end of your workout. But never jump to an advanced level in a single day. A strong body isn't built through pressure, it's built through smart progression. If after every workout you try to become just 1% better, then after a few months you won't just be fit, you'll become a lean, athletic, and powerful version of yourself. And in the next video, I'll tell you about the one military training rule that makes recovery just as important as muscle growth. So, don't forget to subscribe.